Welcome to Genesis IT Solutions Summer Camp 2024. Whether you're a student in grades 9 through 12, join us as we explore the exciting realms of Python programming and web development. Our expert instructors are committed to guiding you every step of the way, ensuring a rewarding learning experience. From April 1st to May 31st, our summer camp offers both offline and online batches, providing flexibility to suit your preferences. Experience the convenience of learning from the comfort of your home, or immerse yourself in our in-person sessions for a truly engaging experience. With limited seats available, register now to secure your spot and embark on a journey of discovery. Contact us today to reserve your spot and unlock the endless possibilities awaiting you at Genesis IT Solutions Summer Camp. You can call us on the mentioned numbers.